To give you a little perspective, those two big trees right there in the middle is the south edge of our actual driveway. Alright, I'm going to zoom back out. And our farm is this side of the road, all the way in here. And right back here is the southeast stake. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there. Yeah, there it is. So that dead tree right there is basically our southwest marker. And I'm going to clear all of this out so it's easy to see. Well, now you can see the survey stake better. And I know it's the right one because over here is the other one. Driveway's that way. So, yep. There's the survey stake. From here up. That's all ours, baby. All of it. Got two gates here. I was mistaken, not one, there's two. This one is ugly. It's homemade welded cattle panel. This one is ours. And it's got some locks and stuff on it. I'm going to cut them because that fence is ours, gate's ours, and I'm going to use it. So, and all of that back there is ours. And supposedly, somewhere up in there is the spring. And I got to get back in there and find it. Because I don't know where it's at yet. Yeah, my lady, I'm in our front pasture. We got cactus. Yeah, believe it or not, we have cactus here. Prickly pear. And there's quite a lot of it, actually. Oh, and they're in fruit, too. Alright, I'm in our front pasture. Right over there behind those trees is the road in. Driveway is over here behind me. That's the corner of the drive over there. So this is what used to be pasture. We got a lot of work to do. But we got some, so it's not totally lost. The driveway's over there. But, I'm going to keep driving up this way and see how far I can get. I took the last one from down there, and this is what it looks like. I'm standing up on the edge of the Durango. This is the telephone pole where the wires change directions and go to the house, so you can find it on the map. And it's all pretty well grown up thicket. Back that way you can see the house and the buildings over the top of the weeds. The driveway is over there to the south. And I'm going to continue driving up towards the house, see if I can get through. I have to go slow because I don't know where the fencing and stuff like that's at. Well, I made it all the way through. And you can barely even see where I drove in at. Right there's where I came in, and you can see some of it where it goes through. I followed directly under the power lines because I figured that would be the safest. And over there somewhere I found, looks like another junk pile. I couldn't tell from where I was at, and I didn't want to take driving over there. And then farther back over there looks like there's a pen of some kind. There's some big posts in there. Yeah. And that little fruit thingy right there, That's the Carolina horse nettle. Those are a do not eat, do not touch. They're yucky. They will hurt you.